Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Leamington, Border City. Today, we're this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Explorer Limited. The exterior color is black, and under the hood is a 2.3-liter engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps. Over to the side, we have 19-inch aluminum wheels with Hankook tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2021 Explorer also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror sensors and door storage. Making our way to the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, our cruise control option on the left, and a medium heavy option on the right, which is developing your rear mirror along the cabin lighting. Looking forward at this 2021 Explorer, you can see it has 75,992 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, see options available such as our audio, phone integration, navigation, application, and settings, which is below bearing climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for our cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, cooling seats, and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Explorer Limited, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.